Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're excited to learn about question words today, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's dive in and boost your English skills together. I'm Ariba. Today we are going to learn about question words. Let's take a look at the definition of a question words. We use question words to ask certain types of questions. We often call them WH words because they include the letters W and H. The WH words are 1. Who, 2. What, 3. Where, 4. Why, 5. When, 6. Whom, 7. Whose, 8. Which, 9. How. 1. Who. Explanation, used to ask about a person or people. Example, who is your best friend? Who helped you with your project? Who do you think will win the competition? 2. What? Explanation, used to ask for information about something. Example, what is your favorite book? What are you doing this weekend? What time does the movie start? 3. Where? Explanation, used to ask about location or place. Example, where do you live? Where did you go for your vacation? Where did you buy this jacket? 4. Why? Explanation, used to ask for reasons or explanations. Example, why are you late? Why didn't you attend the meeting? Why did you choose this school? 5. When? Explanation, used to ask about time. Example, when is your birthday? When does the store open? When did you last travel abroad? 6. Whom? Explanation, used when referring to the object of a verb or preposition, formal use. Example, whom did you invite to the party? Whom are you thinking about? Whom should I contact for more information? 7. Whose? Explanation, used to ask about ownership. Example, whose bag is this? Whose car is parked outside? Whose idea was it to start this project? 8. Which? Explanation, used when choosing between alternatives. Example, which dress should I wear to the party? Which is your favorite color? Which restaurant do you want to go to? 9. How? Explanation, used to ask about the way something happens or the method. Example, how are you feeling today? How can I improve my writing skills? How do you solve this math problem? Thanks a ton for your support. Your support means a lot, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Bye!